What is the name of this?
This yo.
Yeah.
It's Lao get it tell it's yo.
Xếp lại.
Young.
One okay. One more okay.
What is her name again? Run.
Ilun.
Ilun. Ilun, what does your name mean?
It's name.
Full name
is Ilun.
From America. From where?
Full name is Ilun.
Okay, short name is?
Ilun.
Short name Ilun.
Lun is short name. Ilun is full name, but short name is Lun.
Short name is Run.
Right, you're right. Not full name.
Full name is Ilun.
So we have to finish this. This is what we bought and we want to eat it all. And these guys are already tired.
It's Lao first.
What's your name? Tell them what is your name.
My name is Dodo.
Dodo.
Yeah.
On YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
Jing Tong Sayavong is my Facebook and Instagram.
Okay. Lao people are so nice and welcoming. Yeah?
Come here, can you try?
Yeah.
Can you try it's Lao food?
Lao food?
Yeah.
Yes, I've tried.
It's Lao food.
I've tried Lao food.
You try?
Yeah, I've tried.
It's right?
Yeah, it's good.
It's right.
It's so delicious.
Okay.
Yeah. You see? Here is my food, guys, if you haven't seen it. Here is my food, guys, if you haven't seen it. What is the name of this?
This yo.
Yeah.
It's Lao get it tell it's yo. Okay. It's you right.
It's your turn.
Yeah.
It's your turn to eat, please.
It's you right.
Yeah.
You see it's
Yeah.
I try. No.
It's Lun's time. Lun.
Ilun.
Ilun. Ilun. It's your turn to eat.
นี่หว่า
เราจะทายมึงให้กินระเบิด
Look here in the camera. In the camera.
เซฟหลาย
Ilun move along.
Your friend. What is his name?
Johnny.
Johnny. First try that. What's that he's eating? What is he eating? Ochine. Let's go.
Japan food.
Japan food in Laos, right?
Yeah. They love people for the food.
Oh. How does it taste? Delicious?
Can you try it for Lao food? We can try.
Very good.
We are still trying to see that we complete this. This is what we have to eat and empty this basket. This basket should be...
Is you right? Is you right?
Hey, I finished already.
It's not right?
Come to the...
Hey, you see, it's for Lao people, for the cook Japanese is cook the food.
Sure.
Is you right?
It's my turn.
Yeah. It's your turn. Okay. It's not bad for...
Perfect, delicious.
เราภาษาอย่างเราจะย่างใช่ป่ะเอาทอดแล้วจะย่างเจียนต่อนี่ชาบูโตทำไมเจียนล่ะ
He wants takeaway?
เอาให้แล้วเบิ่งมาดู
เขาเรียกว่าไปเอาไปทั้งหน้ามัน
เราต้องเอาเครื่องปรุงก็ได้
So guys, I've just made new friends, and you know, this food has too much spicy. Yeah.
In our Vientiane.
Spicy.
บอกมันมีสีดำขนาดนั้นเลยได้เป็นสีขาวๆคล้ายๆคือเกี๊ยวคล้ายๆคือเกี๊ยวแบบนี้นี่นะ
อีลุน So Ilun is trying new food, eh? Lao food.
Can you try?
Just try, have this. Huh? It's Lao food, it's here. It's nice.
It's meat.
Can you try
Meat inside.
You eat meat or you don't eat meat? It's meat.
Lao people cook for the Japan food. Can you try? It's no problem. Okay. Try this one.
So we've got another person from France. She's going to try the food. Let's go.
Okay. This is not bad.
How does it taste?
It's yummy, I like it.
Delicious? Try it out.
This one.
45000
You do YouTube?
Yeah.
What is your YouTube channel?
Dananin.
Dananin?
Dananin, yeah.
Let me take a picture. I will subscribe later.
Where you come from?
Uganda, but I just left Thailand.
Ah, the same. We were in Thailand for 1 month.
Which side of Thailand have you been to?
We've been to Bangkok.
After here?
Yeah.
Bangkok.
Bangkok.
Go to Chiang Mai.
Udon Thani?
Yeah, Udon Thani.
Yeah. How did you get to Laos? By train, bus, plane?
For the food,
Not by. We come from Nong Khai.
Nong Khai?
Nong Khai.
That means you
What
use the
today?
bus.
Huh?
You use the
You
bus.
from Nong Khai?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah. Yeah, like we're using the minivan.
You cannot see actually because I don't have internet.
Really?
We speak. Yeah, but we speak French too.
Thai nít nổi.
Thai nít nổi.
How, are you the one who say bonjour?
Not
Yeah.
Yeah,
French.
bonjour. Yeah.
Bonjour.
But this one looks like Lao people.
Like
Lao people and same Chinese.
Chinese. He's
Yeah.
Chinese a little bit.
Is your blood
你好
mixed?
你是中国人吗？
我可以说，我的父母是中国人
是不是那个你是中国人？
啊，
You are confusing us, guys.
你是不是那个中国人？
我也是，我父母是中国人。
怪不得，
We've got new Chinese here.
怪不得你像那个老挝人这边，
啊，
怪不得你是像那个老挝人这边的，像中国人。
啊，对。
Like, don't be much serious. If you speak
Can you speak
Chinese,
Vietnamese?
you're so much serious.
新疆
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
I can speak Vietnamese.
I can speak English a little bit because I can speak Thai language, Lao language, Chinese language, can. Yeah.
Nice.
It's 你像那个什么？
你好。
啊，
你像老挝这边的。
对，很多人以为我是。
In French. We
In
are.
French?
Yeah, conversing
Are you pure French or mix of Thai and?
No, we were born in France, but our parents are Asian. His parents is Chinese, and mine are Indian and Vietnamese.
Oh, I can see.
So
Can
we
see.
can speak. I can speak Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Duran.
Sorry?
Duran is Chinese.
Yeah.
Vietnamese.
Yeah, my parents.
Okay.
That's why.
It's for Asia.
Yeah, but we speak in French only.
你们像那个我们这边亚洲这边的人，
对，哈，
你们
我们呢？
你们两个人都像那个亚洲。
Food. We have failed to finish it. Huh? Ron. Ilon. Your name is so sexy, so I always forget it. Ilon.
Full name is Ilun.
Ilon. Ilon. What does it mean?
แปลว่าภาษาอังกฤษ
Full
เป็น
name.
Ilon.
Doesn't mean much, but
Suai, suai.
สวย
Suai. beautiful.
我是老挝这边，
老挝这里呢？
对，我是老挝这边，
Doing YouTube.
Tell the people your channel name. Introduce yourself.
所以不会讲那个中文，我只选的是中国那边的。
Introduce.
很好。
You can tell the channel name.
You're live on air, yeah. Introduce your channel name here. People will search for you. Yeah, it's recording.
But it's not live.
นี่โฆษณา
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's go.
This
No,
my
you're not
friend
live, but it's recording. So,
So we
This
are
whole
Dan
name
and Lin.
Elon.
Dan and Lin, we have a YouTube channel. We come from France.
Yeah.
And we are traveling Southeast Asia for now.
yeah, can you give the spelling of your channel?
Dan is D-A-N.
Yeah.
N and Lin. So Lin is L-Y-N.
Okay.
Dan and Lin.
You can
Hope guys you've got the name right.
If
So,
you're interested, you can just check it out.
yeah. Subscribe and hit that bell. Make sure to support them. We are in Laos, okay? Okay, take care.
you can speak Chinese for, huh? Not